Hey guys, hello and welcome to the channel Programming with Casey. So today is the very interesting topic we are going to understand about that. So what we are going to understand is to the use of throws keyword. Okay, so we know in the Java we use the exception handling. We know the concept of checked exception, unchecked exception, and we even know about the theory concepts of try, catch, block, how to handle the exception with the help of try, catch, block. So over here, one thing over here I would like to also mention that throws is the important concept over here to know how we can use this too as well to handle the exception. So overall, in a glimpse, I can say that throws keyword we can use to handle the exception. So we'll take one example to understand. There are many types of exception, as say like array index out of bound exception, null pointer exception, IO exception, right? So we'll cover the with one example over here. So basically what I'll do is I'll first of all import the package over here. So import java dot io input output dot star. Okay, all right, done. So now inside this I have I have created the class with the example like throws example. We'll create one method over here as public static. Let's say we'll create the top level method over here, public static void find file. Let's say I'm finding the file over here. Okay, so this is basically the method. I am saying like this: with the use of throws keyword I'll manage this IO exception. Okay, so this is the method we had created over here. Inside that we are going to use the file input stream, as you all know. So first of all we'll create the object of file over here. So I'll write the file new file like this. Okay, and I'll say the new over here just to create the object of that, and file. Inside that I'll mention some of the random let's say I'm writing just as it is to. So this program will basically find this text file inside the system. So now with the help of file input stream. Okay, so file input stream. So we need to check. Okay, so it's giving the syntax error, no issue, we'll complete this. So I'm saying like stream over here. So new file input stream, and new file like this. Hopefully this is perfect. Okay, so now there is no error. So what we have done till now, so line number 8, you can see that I had created the new file object over here and also mentioned the random.txt. So we had created the object of file input stream, and I'm saying that I had inserted the object of that new file over here. So inside the main method, basically I am going to now catch the exception. So what we need to do for that, we need to call the method. Okay, so this is the way we can call the method, but it is giving me a red line error. So you can see that this is asking for add throws declaration or surround with try catch block. Okay, so we had just surrounded this with as a try catch block. So what happens is in the catch I am saying the IO exception E, so it will simply print stack trace, which is the default message okay inside the Java program. All right, so now we'll save this program and just run and check what is the giving. So we'll run as a Java application, and in the console, okay, it is saying that error existent required project. Okay, so it's a class file, so no issues. So you can see that over here it is saying that Java IO file not found exception random text. So this file is not available inside this. So over here we had imported step by step. Again we can see this is the file name, that is throws example, correct, and I had created the method file over here, and this is the public static void main, and it is giving me the error like this, exception throws example. So this should not be the actual way, I would say, to get the proper output. So we'll check where the error is. So I'll say this not to print like this a stack trace. Simply what we'll do is, inside this we can sys out. Okay, sys out over here, and I would say E. Okay, so IO exception E. So we'll run this again and proceed with this. Okay, so we got the output over here, that is file not found exception random text. The system cannot find the file specified. So what was the problem in the last code? In that we had only that was the by default which was created by the Eclipse only. So we had just mentioned system sysout over here by printing the default stack trace. Okay, so this is the way you can use the throws keyword basically, so to handle the exception. So in the same case, if you have the multiple exceptions, so you can write over here by doing the comma IO exception, null pointer exception, invalid class exception, let's say. So there are many more, and you can simply create the object over here like E1, let's say, and over here this is the way you can create for the E1, E2, E3 if you are handling with the multiple exception. I hope guys this concept is very much clear to you. If you still have any doubts, so you can comment it below. So I'm going to create more examples based on this types of like throws keyword try catch finally. So you can watch the entire videos by visiting my channel and check for the examples. Okay, so I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, then please make sure to like, subscribe. So thank you guys, that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. So till that time, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.